De Quervain's disease is a terrible problem to have, and I predict that the future will be, we're going to see this more and more because everyone's texting. De Quervain's disease is a tendinopathy or tendinitis or inflammation around the thumb right in this area. There's about 3 different tendons, and the sheath that surrounds the tendon can get inflamed, and so the tendon, as it rubs on that inflammation, can become painful. The actual tendon itself can become damaged and actually rot, and the tendon could die, and that is a problem. That's called a tendinopathy. What I have found that's worked for this, once the disease is in your body, how do you deal with it? Very often you will require adjustments to the thumb, and you'll require Graston and laser treatment to those tendons. That often helps restore proper functioning of the tendons and reduces pain. But the real issue is, how can you prevent this from occurring? I'm going to show you a stretch that I give my patients, and this works quite well for the prevention of this problem. So what you do is you're going to take your thumb and you're going to fully flex it like this. You're going to put the thumb on the inside of your fist, and then, as if you're throwing a fishing rod, very slowly you're going to what's called ulnar deviate the actual wrist. This will give you a stretching sensation along there and can help with these types of tendon problems. Hopefully this was informative to you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up, let me know you're watching, and if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you can, please become a Patreon and support this channel, and that way you can actually ask specific questions and dictate what videos I will produce next.